Looking for the house that has it all? We have a house that is both stylish and luxurious with great location. You will love it if you are looking for the house that has your taste. Luxury house with semi-luxury facilities for couple or family for sale at 7 pages of built-up area situated on Hokandara. This fully tiled semi-luxury house is in a very convenient location located in Hokandara, Vanaguru Mawatha. The house has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and this property has 20 feet road access and clear deeds. This semi-luxury home goal is to offer a great balance between life and work, and this semi-luxury house has all of the luxuries that you need for just starting off for the complete family. Then why are you waiting for? Just pick the phone and dial the numbers that we displayed on the screen for more inquiries, or visit our website www.idam.lk. Last but not least, like and subscribe our channel, and we are ready to bring Sri Lanka some of the best lifetime investment to your fingertips.